welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this super cute updo. This hair is brought to you by Mslynn Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, and a full styling tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye.
Niecy, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received some eyelashes and also a wig cap. This unit is a 24-inch Malaysian 360-degree lace frontal unit. She is an HD transparent lace, and she is a body wave wig with adjustable straps and combs. So I'm going to bleach this unit first using my Quick Blue powder, my 50 volume developer, and also a drop of that Adore Rich Eggplant color. Make sure the consistency is a thick toothpaste-like texture. Once you mix that together, I take my Got2b Glue Blast Free Spray, spray that hairline back to avoid bleaching the baby hairs or the little, flyaways. I apply this bleach. I left it on for about an hour and it still wasn't enough, so you should bleach this twice to get those knots lifted because it didn't lift on my end. So I only bleached it one time, but I highly recommend you bleach it 2 times. Wash it out with some purple conditioner and purple shampoo, and then I let it sit with some silicone mix and then let it air dry overnight. And as you can see, this hair is air dried, and I also already cut my ear tabs off so I can guide myself on how I'm going to pluck this unit. I then, part a layer, zigzag, not jig-jag. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but as you can see, I parted a layer and then I am plucking behind that hairline. And then once I finish plucking, I then take a hot comb and pluck the actual hairline. The knots were very, very, very thick, so you can still see the black knots on there. So I probably will go back ahead and bleach this unit all over again and maybe make it a little bit more watery consistency so it can really turn. So now it's time to install this unit, and I'm applying gel around my perimeter of my head and the back of my head, and just taking some Ebin hairspray, spraying my wig cap down, and then adding some concealer on my cap as well as my wig unit. And then here I'm applying my wig, and I'm going to use a needle and thread to sew down the back of my head so I could wear my hair up in a high ponytail. But other than that, you guys already know the deal. I like to play some vibey music while you watch me install this unit, and then I'll come back to you while I'm styling this unit.
Let you in.
So I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I did. So now we are on styling this unit with a nice like bang and an updo. I got this inspo from Pinterest. I seen Ari Fletcher's Instagram like video, and I just loved that hairstyle. I'll show it up on the screen right now. But here I am just pressing out a middle part first, and then now I am parting a triangle around that middle part. So you should have like 3 lines, and see how I'm just pressing all the hair away. So see a nice little triangle, and I'm make a littler triangle, if that makes sense. You can see it physically, like I'm making multiple triangles, and I'm just parting my hair away. The outside layer, I'm just going to clip that back, and now this is going to be the bang area. So as you can see, I'm pressing out the bang forward so the hair can be guided towards my face. And then here I'm going to cut below my lips first. The longer you cut, the more you can, cut shorter. If you cut too short, it'll be like, too late. And then here I split the hair in half, and then I match the smallest piece, and then I cut on each side. And then here I'm just curling it and guiding myself. So I just curl it, bump it a little bit, and then cut some more, curl it to bump it, and then cut some more just to see how the hair is gonna last. So I ended up cutting it maybe 3 times, and each time I cut it, I basically leave the outside pieces longer so it can be more of like a hill, I don't know, like layered, if that makes sense. And then here those outside pieces I tucked away, I curled the ends and then trimmed them a little bit. And now we are on the ponytail, and here I'm going to just try to part as much as the little baby hairs in the back as possible so it can look more natural, because it is a little bumpy in the back because of my braids. So I want it to be as natural looking as possible, so this can help cover up my kitchen and hide that bump. And then I just go ahead and take a brush and then some spritz and just try to brush as much as I can and be as clean. Is it as clean as I am? But I ended up having to redo this ponytail 3 times. So you see in the back that you see a little hump. Like, it was kind of hard, but just have patience when doing this hairstyle. And then as you can see, I trimmed my little kitchen in the back and curled it. It was getting so hot, you guys. It was 90 degrees that day, so I don't know why I decided to do this hairstyle on the hottest day in California. But then I go ahead and take a piece from the back of the ponytail and wrap that around, and using spritz every time I wrap it just so it can hold. I just basically had the video right next to me so I could just refer back and forth to the video to see how her hair was looking and try to mimic that. And then I just finish it up with a bobby pin. And then I like to take my She hairstyling serum, and I just put that all throughout the ponytail. And then here I just work in small sections and curl away from my head just to finish it up. I did not trim the hair whatsoever, like the ponytail part. It just laid how I want it to lay, and that's basically it. This is the final result. I got so many compliments on this hairstyle. I want to thank you so much, Mslynn Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.